now we're into the crossover section for the Revenge of the Shim Sham. This step is not as similar as some of the other sections have been, but it still has a crossover in it. You are going to start with this little chug, slide the foot together motion. If you think back, if you remember the dance, the locomotion, everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. Okay, it's kind of like that, except you're only doing one to each side. So you're basically doing chug, 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 chug. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, you're going to do a big ball change and then a crossover shuffle heel step. Shuffle heel step. Then you're going to do the ball change on the other side. Ball change, shuffle heel step. Okay, so again, that new part is going to be ball change, shuffle heel step, ball change, shuffle heel step. Okay, so let's put that together from the first chug. You have 5, 6, 7, 8, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, ball change, shuffle heel step, ball change, shuffle heel step. Okay, you are, from here, you're going to do a stamp, stamp, and then you are going to repeat it. So, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, stamp, stamp, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, ball, change, shuffle, heel step. And that is the end of it, just like the other crossover sections. There is actually going to be a stamp, stamp coming up, but it is technically part of the tack Annie section. Okay, let's walk through that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, stamp, stamp, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, slide, chug, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, ball, change, shuffle, heel step. You have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, stamp, stamp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ball, change, shuffle, heel step, ball, change, shuffle, heel step.